This one's a female right here. And another female. Can you get your hands a little bit deeper?
It's hard to get your face in it.
It's okay.
It's so dark.
Get my hands.
And taking a picture.
Smile. All right.
It's funny that why don't the others come over too, like they do in the tanks when we're peeking in?
These guys pretty much know the difference between people and coral. They typically like their corals, but if you guys are good holders, you'll see they're fine with that. There are a few times where they'll come up and hook onto a finger every now and then. But these guys are pretty lazy.
I'm holding
You
a
guys are getting
seahorse.
some tail, aren't you?
Yeah. Uh-oh. Get comfy.
You said this is a female, right?
Yeah, these are both females here.
Oh, we're gonna check these out.
Yeah, so these are two males.
Okay.
Alright, whenever you're ready to slowly separate your hands, she'll probably swim off on her own.
Same thing for me.
Yeah, I'll probably have to grab her and slide her off just like a ring bobby. Separate those pinkies for me. There we go.
Thank you.
Oh.